Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Brinkerhoff and I'm here with Kenra Professional, and today I'm going to be walking you through this ultra sleek braided bun. This is a really good style for beginners and it's a very versatile look. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by applying the Kenra Styling Gel 17 at her roots. Okay, so I just have a little bit of this on my fingers and I'm just gonna kind of comb this in. And before I let this set, okay, so I'm just working this straight back. Just gonna do a little bit more. So I'm focusing this mostly around her hairline and on the top. And not really worrying about doing any through the ends yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this in my hands and start getting all of this brushed back into the center back. So the reason that I'm using a gel is because this is going to give it more of a wet look, a little bit more editorial, a lot more shine, and a lot more control. Okay, so once this is nice and smooth, you can go ahead and get your elastic in. Okay, and once that's in, I'm going to go in with a little more of the gel and just really clean up around the edges. Okay, so I'm going to start working with the ponytail now. I'm going in with the Kenra Silkening Gloss, working this through the ends. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this braided. All right, so I'm going to divide this in 3 sections and start getting this braided. So as I work my way down, I wanna make sure the hair is nice and smooth the whole way down. Okay, and as I get towards the ends, I'm gonna use a little of the Kenra Platinum Working Wax to just tame a little bit of that frizz. Okay, and then before I get to the end, I'm gonna leave a few of these pieces out and just get this clipped for now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna rough this up a tiny bit. I just want a little bit of texture, kind of some contrast between textured and sleek. Okay, and then I'm going to start wrapping this. I'm gonna start going down, so kind of folding this underneath, and I'll get that bobby pinned in place. So just taking my pin, leaving it closed, kind of grabbing on to the bun, and then securing that to the scalp. Okay, and then I'll keep wrapping across the top. And then this will get wrapped underneath. Okay, and then our braid is going to get wrapped all the way around across the top, tucking that in there, and then these ends will get left out. Okay, and at this point, I'm just checking the balance, making sure everything looks centered and even. And then I'll go in with a little more of the Kenra Volume Spray 25. Okay, so this is our finished look. If you guys want to see more styling videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.